Underneath this cover is a brand new hardcore version of Rimac's electric hypercar. Let's have a look at it. I love unveiling cars. Woo! Now, it's called the Nevera R, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it in this video. I'm Al Watson, and you're watching Car Wow. It has a big wing. I'm here with Frank Heil. So you are the chief designer for Bugatti Rimac, so you work on Bugatti products and Rimac's products.
Yes.
I'm saying it kind of half correctly. It's Rimac, isn't it?
Rimac, yeah. It's a Croatian way of pronouncing Rimac.
Okay. So tell me about this car, because I look at it and I know it's a Nevera, but it does look quite different. What's the idea behind this?
Well, the R stands for radical, rebellious, relentless, and that's really the values that we've given this car. The concept is relatively straightforward. Upgrade the power, down the weight, bit more aero, bit more mechanical grip. And that's also what the visual form language of the car is supposed to speak. So it's staring at you quite aggressively, right? We got that one line side to side, shark nose really low down to get the laminar airflow attached to the front. And we've got that really aggressive splitter. We force more air through the radiator to counterbalance the downforce from that big wing, as you saw.
So basically then, R, you say radical. I thought it would mean race. Why isn't it race? So
usually it's race if you see an R car, no? But in our case, R came from the Rimac, but or in our case it's radical, rebellious, relentless. Those are our values. If we say radical, of course, with that kind of horsepower and the drift mode and the full digital torque vectoring, it is quite a radical machine actually.
But the things that you do lend itself to a bit more racy, doesn't it? So you're talking about aero, downforce, you're talking about more power, less weight, improved handling, and we'll get onto the engineering side of things in a bit. So here at the front, how different is it than the standard car? 'Cause it looks like this is all new.
From the A-pillar up is all one piece now.
Yeah.
It used to be that we have a fender and a bonnet, so now we have one front clam, which also enables us to have no split lines on it, which makes it really cleanly looking, and the carbon bits kind of kick out, give it that stance, that grunt from front view.
So how do you open the bonnet to look at the engine?
There's no engine in the front.
Sorry, I'm just being stupid.
There's two electric motors though in the front.
Is it one for each wheel, or is it two driving a single axle?
No, it's one motor per wheel, so you have full control over each revolution of each wheel. That's what's making this so exciting to drive.
And that's why you can do the crazy kind of like backwards drifting.
Cornering
stuff.
as well. You could have the outside wheels actually spin faster and the inside wheels recuperating at the same time.
Madness.
So that's crazy.
This front splitter is new, isn't it?
Right, so the concept is more downforce to begin with. So how do we achieve more downforce? On the back it's easy, we put a wing. On the front we are working with the actual throughput through the radiator and exiting air out of here. So this is a movable flap in higher downforce configuration. It'll open and we'll force air in there through the radiator and out of the bonnet. Plus we've increased the size of the splitter to create the front end downforce.
Have you done something to the light? These lights, this has been redesigned as well.
Yeah, we've extended, let's say, the eyebrow to give it that look, that stare at you.
So you've done this on the R version, so the normal Nevera still looks the same as it did. It's just the R version that has this new front end. Is that correct?
It's complementary to the Nevera. We now have the Nevera R. They're both being built.
This one does look better though, doesn't it?